So that ends another amazing week here at DJI. My kids have made a lot of friends, as they do every year, with some Irish and Dutch amongst them. So yeah, fantastic place. Highly recommend. Very, very secure, especially if you've got children, because it's a small compact site. So just a reminder, if you are booking with Kelly, you'll check in at reception at the top there where the gate is, which I showed you. You come down here to the Camp Hotel caravan, and then they will sort you out there and give you a caravan number. And as previously mentioned, all the Kelly caravans are all down this side here, so you can see every single one of them does have room for a car along this side here. These caravans on the opposite side are part of the colours, and this side is all colours as well. So I'll walk you one last time down here to the where we're staying. So these are all the colours, the 2-bedroom and 3 beds. He's the maintenance guy, lovely chap. We had to get him out once because we had a problem with the barbecue, and we've seen him in the past over the years. He's been here a long time. So yeah, these are the colour vans down here. You see the 3-berth and 2-berth to give you a good idea. That's a nice one. Looks like it's got plenty of sun. It's quite open though, 309. And then, as we get down to the bottom, as previously shown, you've got the premium. Okay everyone, good morning. So we begin a new day's travelling to our next destination, where we're stopping for another week. We're off to a place called Domain des Ormes. So hopefully we'll have a good drive. The weather's actually beautiful today. We'll come here, let the kids have an ice cream, and of course there's a geocache in the area, so we might go and try and find it. A beautiful little harbour, beautiful place. We do like coming here. So if you're staying at Littoral and you're watching this video, or you're staying in Savers-Lawn, if you come down to the park in the harbour car park, which is free by the way, you can walk up into Port Bourgeonnet, and if you go left at the bottom of here and you go up the hill, you have a mini boating lake. There's basically it's a site, it's a golf village, and there's a little free petting zoo you can walk around and check out the animals there. So I highly recommend you have a walk up there, check out the boating lake, electric boats, and just have a walk around the golf course. And if you figure it out, you'll find the little petting zoo. It used to be there. I've been to it a few times over the years. Obviously the port here is beautiful, and worthy itself for just having a walk around. So yeah, we'll have an attempt to find this geocache in a second. Problem is, it's an air de camp in here as well, so there's a few people parked up in the air, so it might be a bit tricky. Okay, so we have another bunker. The cache is near this bunker somewhere. It's another bunker, Jazz. And gun emplacement. A relic of World War II. some good views up here. The woman coming. There you go. Ta-da! We have found the geocache. Makes a difference when they add all graffiti to it. So you're looking for an air, guys? A free park up. Here we have one. I do not think you could get a much better park up at night. And look how many vans there is. 2. They've got it all to themselves. All to themselves. And wake up in the morning to that beautiful, beautiful view. Pub Bourgeois. Very rocky coastline. You wouldn't want to swim in there. Well, people do, obviously. So that's it. That's the first part of our stop. And now we're going to head to supermarket CPU and pick up a few bits. So, because the shops will be shutting later, so we need to get a few bits before we head off to our next destination.
This side.
Oh, get back here, Shell. Get back here.
Where's the other one?
Right, let's start climbing trees. And now we're about to head off to Brittany, to another campsite. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure, if you're new here, to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up. And we'll quick look at this. So a quick look at this sculpture. Bourgeois and 1631. 1631. I'm not walking up to the mini lighthouse. Thank you very much for joining us today. In the next episode, we'll be stopping at a small place called Beton.